Hello everybody, I am Attila Tanner. Welcome to a brand new video of Next Stock. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is sponsored by Seeking Alpha. They are a crowdsourced content service for financial markets. We have a link below, affiliate link, where you can get some good subscriptions and promo from them. You can search up good articles there about individual stocks, and you can also get investment strategies and ETFs, etc. Check it out. Today's video, otherwise, we're going to go over some highlights, the big tech reported, and then we're going to go over the regular reporting. But before jumping ahead to that, I just want to mention that how this work is being done, the numbers that I'm gathering. Basically, all the companies I'm following will go to their individual website for the companies and look at their financial report whenever it comes out every 3 months. Some of the information is then entered into a computer program, looking maybe not like this, but anyways. And then with the press of a magical button, we get all the information that I want. So number crunching inside the computer, but data gathering, that's a little bit of manual work at the moment. All right, so let's look at the highlights. The big tech reported, Microsoft reported a 12% year-over-year sales growth. Target for them is $271, which is in line with where they are trading at the moment. Apple reported a modest 2% sales growth. Target for them is $144, so it's a little bit of a decline from current trading levels. Amazon reported a 7% sales growth year over year. My target for them is $176. So here we have a good upside. Google reported a 13% sales growth. My target for them is $150, which has a good upside as well from current levels. All right, let's look at the other companies that reported. Tesla reported 42% year-over-year sales growth. My target for them is $631, so which is a little bit lower compared to where they are trading at the moment. Reason for that is that their price-to-sale ratio is quite high still. Twitter, here is the Elon Musk connection. Elon Musk wants to buy Twitter, as you have heard, for $54, or maybe not any longer. But anyways, if you just look at the numbers for Twitter, they had a 1% sales decline year over year. Target for them is $51, which is a good upside regardless if the deal happens or not from current levels. Procter Gamble had a 3% sales growth year over year. My target for them is $144, which is in line with where they are trading at the moment. Qualcomm reported a 36% year-over-year growth. The target for them is $175, which has a good upside from current levels. All right, let's complete the highlights for this time. Let's go into the regular reporting for US market. And we start with the value stocks. Meta Platform is number 1. JP Morgan is number 2. Chevron enters the list as spot number 3. They have a $315 billion market cap with a price to earnings of 15. Pfizer, who was in the list, drops out of top 3. When it comes to value stocks, we want to look at high market cap companies with low price to earnings. Those companies should be typically more conservative and safer stocks to have in your portfolio. Dividend stocks is also good to have in your portfolio. We have seen that in Q1 and Q2 for this year. China Petroleum and Chemical Corporation is number 1. Petro China is number 2, and AT&T moves up into the list in spot number 3. Total Energy drops out from top 3. Growth stocks in the US market, Vroom is number 1, Lyft is number 2, and Uber is number 3. Here we're looking at sales growth year over year, comparing it with stock price growth year over year. We extrapolate to current date what the stock price is today, and from there we're making a big list. We also balance the list by looking at the price to sale ratio. So those 3 are the most attractive. At the bottom of the list, I call them more pricey ones, and we have a new number 1. Blackstone is number 1. The sales declined incredibly 88%. Maybe it was a one-time thing for this period of reporting, but that makes them now the priciest. The stock price declined 6% during the same time period. Snowflake is number 2. And Datadog is number 3. Crowdstrike, who was in the list before, is now out of top 3. All right, that completes the US market. Let's go into the Canadian market and value stocks there. Royalbank is number 1, TD Bank is number 2, and Bank of Nova Scotia is number 3. The dividend stocks in the Canadian market, Tourmaline Oil is number 1, Enbridge is number 2, and Keyera is number 3. The growth stocks in the Canadian market, Air Canada is number 1, Curaleaf is number 2, and Agnico Eagle Mines is number 3. They are a newcomer in the list. They had the sales growth of 67%, while the stock price declined 21%. Our Pricey, who was in the list before, has dropped out from top 3. The pricey ones in the Canadian market is Onyx is number 1, Turquoise Hill Resources is number 2, and Franco-Nevada is number 3. All right, this completes the report for this time around. Thank you so much for watching. If you like those videos, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out when the next video comes out, hopefully in 2 weeks' time. And if you want to check out the link for Seeking Alpha below, you can get good promotion and opportunity maybe to check out some individual stock that you're curious about. All right, take care. Until next time. Bye-bye.